Greetings folks to our E1uLife review video. E1uLife is a business opportunity that you can definitely earn daily income. What we do is we have 6 different product packages, as you can see here, and this is the webmaster services that we're offering along with e-learning training. This is our Elevation Basic for $30, and of course if you refer this same package you'll earn $25 instantly paid. Here's what it comes with: your own customer designed opt-in page for collecting your subscribers' information and building your leads for your business that you may be involved in, or if you're simply promoting E1uLife itself. Once again, this is the basic package for the Elevation here and all the different trainings. Next is the Elevation Elite, $110. It includes everything in the Elevation Basic plus a customized social media pack, which basically means we're going to customize a whole marketing material for you to use on your social media profiles and sites. We will develop the content that you can post that will promote your specific type of business. And the trainings that are associated with this Elevation Elite are, as you can see on your screen, we started off with the mental development training, and now is the physical development training. And what we're trying to do is get you into the lifestyle of being an entrepreneur. If your mind ain't fit, if your body ain't fit, well, how far are you gonna go in life? Period. How much success can you attain without those two, the mind and the body? And of course, again, if you sell the Elevation Basic, you'll get $100 instantly delivered to your account or debit card, depending on how you set up in our back office. And again, you will get instantly paid. Next is our Vertex package for $275. Includes everything that came before it, everything that was in the Elevation Basic and Elevation Elite. And if you were to sell it, you're gonna get $250 instantly paid. And you'll also get customized email templates to use in your marketing. We customize and design the email message templates for you to reach out to your prospects and those leads that you're building. And the 42 trainings, e-learning trainings that you'll get are as follows, that you'll see on the screen. We're going into a lot of the traffic generation and internet marketing referral type training. We're giving you video digital training, exclusive HD quality on all these following lessons that you see here. Yes, that's right. You're getting that included with your webmaster services. And again, if you sell the Vertex package, you'll earn $250 instantly paid to you. Next is our Vertex Elite for $550, and if you refer the Vertex Elite, you'll get $500 instantly paid. Of course, you're going to get everything that came with the Elevation Basic, the Elevation Elite, and the Vertex, and you're even getting a customized business logo with all the right vectors and high resolution that brands your business just the way you need it to be, so that when people see you, they will know your brand instantly. You'll be remembered throughout your particular industry and marketplace. And of course, we have included trainings with this webmaster package as well. There are 36 of the training and growing, and here is what they cover. Look, we're getting really advanced now in our marketing training. As you can see, you are now learning all the things that it takes for you to be a master in the digital marketing space. You will know more than the average person who has went to a marketing school, due to the fact that they are not being taught properly how to market online. They might learn business mechanics, they might learn business marketing, but they're not learning too much as far as the online marketing world, which is where most of commerce is happening today. These are the trainings you're gonna need, folks, and this is what you're purchasing today. along with the customized logos and all the other webmaster packages that came before it. Now next is our Vertex Pro Connect for $1,100. Includes everything, all the other packages of course, and a multi-page funnel. A sales funnel is just a design of multiple different web pages that connect together to get people to become a part of your culture, which leads them one step closer to the buy. You know, with these big time companies, they use sales pages and multi-page funnels in order to attract people into their sales funnel sequence. This is how they create buyers and long-term sales off of one particular person, because they have a funnel in place. We may not have the full scope to train you on the full idea and concept of funnels at this moment, but I'm telling you, all of that training is here, and not to mention the actual multi-page funnel itself that we build and install to you. You tell us what you're trying to promote, you simply tell us what your business is all about, and we build it for you. This, along with the customized packages of earlier, like the logo and the customized email templates, the customized opt-in pages, we're building your whole business for you at the Vertex Pro Connect level. And if you should sell and promote this and someone purchases, you will get $1,000 instantly paid to you. That's right, a $1,000 instant payment. You will not be waiting weeks or months. You get paid at the moment of sale. I promise you, so many of us are making these payments. You must come in and be a part of this. Look at the trainings, the 37 and counting additional trainings you're also getting with this level. Look at this. You will not be left alone in your marketing. You'll always know what to do here. We don't leave you hanging. Just look at all the training you're getting. You're getting a $1,000 instant day commission, and our Vertex Live, which is the final package, it's $2,500, and when you sell that one, you get $2,000 instant payment. $2,000, everything that came, get it. You're getting a customized website. In addition to the funnels, you're gonna get one of those corporate style websites, and these are the trainings. Of course, it says live, so you're gonna get our live event free recordings. You're gonna get our live trainings whenever they're done. We leave no stone unturned, and I just want you to know that we even have customized funnels to help you sell the E1uLife system. If you go ahead and take a look at 2k.easymoneysite.biz, you'll come to a page that looks similar to this. And what it is it's a specialized opt-in page that allows people to come in and they'll want access. Who doesn't want to know how to get $2,000 cash payments delivered to them, right? And they'll simply put in their information in a short little form that appears here, you'll see, and it's going to take them to a specialized webinar which shows them a free to use system that how they can make $2,000 payments. And what this system is basically a system that promotes mainly E1uLife and 4 other strategically chosen online businesses. But I've just shown you the basics of E1uLife and how we have all the way up to that 2K instant commission level, and this particular system is going to promote it effortlessly. You will get email messages customized to you already automatically sent out. There's a free training webinar that they're going to automatically see once they log in and to this system and enter the information here, they're going to be given a squeeze page that's very similar to this one that they will be able to use. Meaning the people that you're going to promote this to. You see how it works? You're given a system that can be automatically duplicated for whoever you invite in, and when they join E1uLife through this system, they're gonna be joining you because it's gonna be your link. Your link's not gonna say 2k.easymoneysite.biz. Your link is gonna say what you want it to say. You're gonna be given a special link. How about I just show you the back office of this particular system? Let me log in. It's actually known as the Profit Passports system. Just a moment. It actually looks like this in that Profits Passport back office here. And this is that unique link right here that I was telling you about. This link right here. And what you're going to do, it's going to have your individual affiliate ID here. And all I did, the reason why mine says 2k.easymoneysite.biz is I used my Easy Money Site domain, added the 2k to it, and I just redirected that to my particular unique link. You could do the same thing. I already had a domain name, but you can go to GoDaddy, get your domain name, workwithwill.com, and you could go in there and just put in a redirect for workwithwill.com to go to your unique Profit Passports link. But in order to start it off, you just go to mine. Go to 2k.easymoneysite.biz. It's free to sign up, and you'll see the very first income stream is in fact E1uLife. And you're gonna enter your ID into here, hit save update, and boom, whenever someone comes into your particular Profit Passports link, then they will see the specialized webinar. They're gonna see it, and they're gonna know what's going on. They're gonna see how everything works. They're gonna be excited, and then they're gonna have to put their ID in here. But when they put their ID in here, it's gonna go to you. That particular sale is gonna go to you, because in order for them to make any income, they're gonna have to join and purchase a product package. Remember those product website master packages I was showing you earlier with all the different trainings and the different levels? They're gonna have to join one just like you did. They're gonna have to purchase it just like you did in order to make instant commissions themselves. And I gotta update some things I see here, because there are other income streams as well. You're gonna want to join all the income streams you can to get the most out of this Profits Passport, but definitely the first one, because that's where you get the up to the 2k sale. And I want to tell you folks, this thing has really been made fair. Even if you've come at, maybe you can't come at that $2,500 level, no worries, because E1uLife has it in place. The director has already announced that it's in place, that even those at lower levels will still earn, even if they happen to refer someone at a higher level. So no worries, you won't ever lose here. We have an instant payment payout commission system. It's one up, meaning everybody who comes in under you is gonna have to pass up their second sale. Everyone does this in the whole system, so everyone has a whole stream, an army of second sales constantly being passed up to them, whether they brought in 10 people, or whether they brought in 100 people, or whether they brought in 1,000 people. That's what makes this so awesome. It's instantly paid commissions, and then there's a one-up leverage attached to it. You want to come in and be a part of this immediately. Come to 2k.easymoneysite.biz. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Once again, I'll just briefly show you the products in that E1uLife. Just once again, let's take a look. Here you go. As you can see, we're back on the sales page. This is that Elevation Basic for 30. See the training and all the webmaster tools that come with Elevation Elite for 110. And you're earning instant commissions. Vertex 275. You'll earn 250 instant commissions. For the Vertex Elite for 550, you earn $500 instant commissions. Doesn't stop. Vertex Pro Connect 1100, you're earning 1,000. Come to 2k.easymoneysite.biz. Peace and love.